Hi girls, today's tutorial is how to log in to the account that you already created. Last week we've been using this website edpuzzle.com and I saw that you had some questions. So when you already registered, you have two options to log in. The one that says login or get started. Click on login, choose that you're a student, and sometimes it appears white in here and you've been asking what was your username or password. It's actually your email. Because I have it registered, it appears automatically. If I didn't have it open, the email right now, I would just write down my email, okay? Or if it does not appear automatically and it's clean, here, erase. You can go to sign in with Google. My suggestion was to use your school email because it is in Google. So it could make your life easier in this website. You choose an account and it'll take you to the last class that you were supposed to take. This class was science class and the due date was yesterday, so you won't be able to take it. But if you click on join a class and you paste the code that I left for you in algebraics, you will be able to find the new class. The nickname is your name, but maybe it's a shorter version of your name. Okay, I want to enter as Gali. So I just click on join the open class and it'll take you automatically to the video. Okay, so let me log out and show you the second option. The one that says get started. You will see that it's pretty much the same. It asks to sign in with Google or sign up with Edpuzzle. If you click on sign up with Edpuzzle, it just asks you for a class code. Use it, click on next, and again, the result is the same. It takes you to fourth grade class created by me, and here's the code. You write down your nickname and you join the class. So the two options can be used without any troubles. Either way, it'll take you automatically using the code into the class. Okay, girls, if you have any questions, let me know. Take care. Bye.